If you're looking to utilize Google Ads for MedSpa leads, it's definitely a powerful platform. Anytime somebody's doing a search for something on Google, like any med spa service, and they find your business, as long as you show up as an attractive option to choose from, it's going to deliver really high intent leads that are basically ready to show up and buy services from you. So I wanted to show you an example of a client that we've been working with for some time now here that is seeing some pretty positive results from their Google Ads. Of course, we did have to come in and set things up the right way, but averaging about $34 per lead, getting roughly 50 leads a month, somewhere in there. This is over the span of 2 months here, so we can see kind of a substantial amount of data. So not the largest budget ever, only $31 per day being spent on the ads. But when a company's getting an extra 50 leads a month and turning even half of those into customers, I mean, you do the math, that's tens of thousands of dollars in revenue generated from just a few $1,000s in ad spend. And when you're able to see a 5 or 6 or 7x return on your ad spend, you can just keep increasing the budget like we've done here, and just get more and more leads, more and more business coming through. And ultimately, it's going to help scale the business up substantially. Now, it's not as simple as just showing up, throwing up some basic ads, and hoping and praying that it all works out well. Like, first of all, you've got to have conversion tracking set up properly. You've got to have the right type of ads. The structure of the campaigns needs to be set up properly. I teach all this stuff on my YouTube channel. So it's way too much to cover in one video, but feel free to look through, various videos on my channel. You can learn how each of these things work. Or if you're curious to learn about how we're able to do this for clients, you can always reach out. I'll leave a link down below where you can get in touch with us and learn more about how we could help your med spa in this case, or any other type of business for that matter. But getting you set up to a point where you can put $3,000 in and get $30,000 back or something to that effect can make a huge difference on your business, especially with something like Google Ads, where you have full control over how much budget you're spending and therefore how many leads you're generating. Of course, the long-term play is typically to rank organically for this stuff, which we also help businesses do as well, simply because you don't have to pay for every single click like you do with Google Ads. But having that combination of Google Ads and then ranking organically at the top of Google for those same keywords it really crushes the competition, honestly. So anyways, if there's anything you have questions about or you're interested in working with us, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below or hit the link down below to get in touch with us, and we look forward to connecting.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.